Class 11, Subject Education, Chapter 2, Aims of Education, Individual and Social Aims. Okay, so first of all, what is aim or what is the meaning of aim? Aim, which means purpose or goal. A purpose or goal is an aim. See, let's see a very common example. When you were little, your aim might have been to be a famous astronaut, a doctor, an engineer, a teacher, a movie star, or a police officer. So, aim is something which is point or direct or to try with a particular goal in mind, to intend to do or achieve something. Let's just see a very common example. Like अगर आप एक बाइसिकल ख़रीदना चाहते हैं, ओके, इफ़ यू वांटेड टू बाय अ बाइसिकल, आपको बाइसिकल चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? आपका एम क्या होगा? योर एम इज़ टू ट्राई टू सेव इनफ मनी फॉर अ न्यू बाइसिकल. आप उसके लिए इनफ मनी, यानी जितने की वो बाइसिकल है, आप चाहेंगे कि हम उतना पैसा उसके लिए सेव करें. तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल एंड ईजी एग्जाम्पल to understand the meaning of aim. So what is aim? Aim is to intend to do or achieve something. So in this chapter we are talking about aims of education. There are two types of aims of education, individual and social. So let's have a look on the first para or the basics. Education as a process lays emphasis on the changes in the individual in a definite manner. When the teacher is not aware about his objectives, when he visits a classroom, naturally he cannot teach in the class. Therefore, before entering into the task of teaching, one should know clearly what to teach, and how the suitable changes may be brought out from the individual. See, in this para, we are talking about the teacher. Okay, so the saying that the teacher, if the teacher is not aware, अगर एक टीचर अवेयर नहीं है कि क्लासरूम में जा कर के उसको क्या पढ़ाना है, what to teach, so he cannot teach in the class. वो क्लास में पढ़ा नहीं सकता. Therefore, before entering into the task of teaching, टीचिंग की टास्क में जाने से पहले one should know clearly what to teach. मीन्स आपको पता होना चाहिए कि what to teach, how to teach and how the suitable change, मतलब किस तरीके से आपको पढ़ाना है, क्या आपको पढ़ाना है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. So here we are talking about the importance of aim. aim यानी आपको कोई भी चीज़ करने के लिए, whether वो टीचिंग हो या any other field, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो योर एम. आपका एम आपको पता होना चाहिए. लाइक अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हैं तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपको कहाँ जाना है, वो प्लेस, वो टारगेट, वो गोल कहाँ है जहाँ पे आपको पहुँचना है या आपको रुकना है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ टीचर टू नो दैट ऑल द करिकुलम्स, all the teaching method, objectives, and set a perfect guideline for a student. He knows everything well about teaching, what to teach, how to teach, when to teach, about the basic things. So it is very important to know his aims. Let's have a look on some of the definitions of education which explains the aim of education. See, like Dr. B.D. Bhatia, without the knowledge of aims of education, the educator is like a sailor who does not know his goal or his destination, and the child is like a rudderless vessel which will drift along somewhere ashore. According to Rivlin, education is purposeful and ethical activity, hence it is unthinkable without aims. There are so many definitions. Have a look on this. Okay, so like this we understand the importance of aim and aims of education. So in this we are talking about two aims, which is individual and social. Individual is something related to a person, to someone, a single person, a single thing, which is related to your individuality. And social is something which is related to somebody, some group, some organization, some place. Okay, so they both are different from each other. Individual and social, they both are very, very different. Individual is something related to someone, and social is something related to more than someone, or you can say that some group, some organization. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you can understand all this easily. Thank you so much.